Once upon a time, a queen invited a monk to her palace. The queen said to the monk, "If I ask you something, would you give me?" The monk said, "What do you want?" The queen said, "I want your begging bowl." Without asking for anything else, the monk gave her the begging bowl, which was the only thing he had. The queen took it, and in return gave him a golden ball studded with diamonds. Taking that golden ball, the monk started walking toward his hut. On the way, a thief sees him and started following him with the intention of stealing that ball. The monk gets to know that the thief is following him. He thinks that because of this golden ball, he will disturb his inner peace of mind, and also the thief will have to do a lot of hard work to steal it, so it should be given to the thief. Reaching his hut, he throws that golden ball outside the hut and goes inside. The thief sees that this monk has thrown this golden ball outside his hut. It means that he must be having something more valuable. That's why he does not care about this golden ball. He keeps standing outside thinking about it. Eventually, he decides to go inside the monk's hut and take a look. He peeks inside the hut. The monk was engrossed in meditation. The thief went inside silently and started looking into the hut. But the hut was completely empty. Now the thief was even more surprised and started thinking that the monk has nothing. Then why does he not care about this golden ball? He sat beside the monk and waited for him to come to his senses. After some time, the monk got up and saw the thief sitting in front of him. The monk smiled and said, "So you have come." The thief said with folded hands, "Sir, I was following you from the palace till your hut. Please tell me why you threw that golden ball out. What do you have that is more valuable than that golden ball?" The monk smiled and said, "My friend, I have the inner treasure of meditation, in front of which all the wealth of this world has no value." Hearing this, the thief fell at the feet of the monk and said, "Sir, please forgive me. I came here to rob you, but you are a saintly person. Now I don't want materialistic wealth. Please give me a little out of your treasure of meditation." The monk smiled and said, "My dear friend, you too can find the inner pleasure that I have found." The thief said, "Sir, but I don't know how to meditate. Please tell me how to meditate." The monk smiled and said, "Friend, meditation is very easy. In fact, there is nothing to be done in meditation. Just find a quiet and relaxing place where no one can disturb you. Sit on a mat so that you cannot have contact with the earth. Make sure that your back remains straight. Place your palms on your knees facing the sky. Now close your eyes and take some long and deep breaths. After that, slowly let the breath return to normal. And with your mind, keep watching your breath coming in and out. Don't let go even a single breath without watching. Just keep watching your breath, inhale and exhale. Keep watching like a watchman. In between, your mind will wander here and there. Sometimes your mind will start thinking about something else. Whenever it happens, focus your mind again on your breath. Don't do anything else. Just consciously watch your breath come and go. Watching the breath slowly, your breath will slow down. As the breath slows down, so will your mind calm down slowly. And gradually, there will come a moment when your thoughts will completely disappear and your mind will drown in the ocean of peace. This is the state of deep meditation. The thief started meditating as told by the monk. He stopped stealing and slowly his life changed. If we see, we will find that most of the people want to meditate, but they don't know how to meditate. There are many methods of doing meditation, but the most popular and effective method among them of doing meditation. But the most popular and effective method among them is Anapana meditation, which is part of Vipassana meditation. This method of meditation was invented by Gautam Buddha about 2,500 years ago. You cannot master this method of meditation in a single day. For this, you have to practice for a long time, a little bit regular practice every day. In this method of meditation, you have to focus your attention on your breath, inhaling and exhaling and nothing else. In fact, our breath is the rein of our mind. Just as we control a horse with its rein, similarly, we can control our mind by controlling our breath. When we start observing our breath come and go, our breath starts to slow down. And as our breath slows down, our thoughts start to subside. And after some time, there will come a time when your mind will become completely silent and you will feel infinite peace. With a long practice of watching your breath, you can start feeling yourself separate from your mind and body. This is the state of deep meditation,